Season 86 Men's Basketball. And there's some hand-to-hand combat going on, and Mike Phillips did not appreciate that one, I believe. This is the Phil-On Echo-On 17th ECJ Pre-Season Cup. Kevin Kiambao slapped his head on that hardwood. Sige, meron tayo. Nagre-wrestling doon sa ilalim.
Hello everyone, at the Boston Michael Phillips from De La Salle University. You're watching Hoopex Basketball.
This is a battle between the UAAP champion and the defending Phil-On champion. Remember, the last team to beat itong La Salle team? Yung UP, nung Game 1 ng finals.
And Mike Kagulangan doing the honors of opening the scoring for UP. Mike Phillips doing the same for La Salle.
Showing that improved offensive game. We know how good of a defensive force itong si Mike Phillips, but he understands that he also has to be an option, an offensive option para sa La Salle.
Talk about scored a floater 4-2 UP. Joshua David nakiraan, naka-layup. Sinabihan si Jerry Abashed.
And yung mga point guard kasi hinihintay ng La Salle for next year pa.
Oo. Boris Marasigan attack mode, Sansad ang bantay niya.
For Coach Topex, he's really tinkering. I think in the other league, in the D-League, hindi talaga sila nag-full force. I think Coach Topex doesn't even go there. But yun nga the Phil-On is a simulation to the season. So kumbaga, ito na yung pagkakataon nila na talagang balasahin.
Ang lineup dito sa Phil-On, sige, meron tayo. Nagre-wrestling doon sa ilalim. Matatawagan offensive foul si Mike Phillips. He just picked Francis Lopez. Kailangan mo gawin ang play. JD Kagulangan scoring. 4-point advantage for UP.
Like a true veteran, outsmarting itong La Salle defense. What a play by JD Kagulangan. A heady play, should I say.
Pass too low for Francis Lopez. Agunanes sending it to Francis Lopez. Alley-oop play! Was bothered by Joshua David. Jerry Abadjano, top of the key jumper is good.
Signature Jerry shot. He's a big guard, diba?
Round number 6, Mike Phillips versus Francis Lopez. Hindi na rin si Phillips, si Agunanes, sinalubog ni Gary Stevens. And Stevens fell down hard. And Stevens sa sahig, parang foam lang. But check out this mid-air collision between Agunanes and Stevens. And if anything, Gary Stevens, iniinda niya yung right elbow niya.
Yeah.
Namukang na people's elbow niya yung hardwood.
Yeah. But
there's the 39 is the count, 5.5 remaining in the first quarter. Napapaligiran si Boris. Dangerous pass is up the turnover. And Normulas is gone. Anything, diba? To piggyback that support of Daphne as JC Macalala makes his entry, announces his entry via that basket.
Either way, it was an absolute gladiator battle between La Salle and UP. It's always a treat to see them battle made with the UAP.
That's why, if anything, as Kevin Kiambao also making his entry in this ball game, one more thing about JD Kagulangan. The consistency itself, or sustaining that kind of game, siya yung bumigay ng pasa doon for a 23-15 Fighting Maroons. CJ Austria, an open volley, who opted to go inside, bumitin sa ere, manipis ang pabanda. Lot of contact, no whistle was blown. Nagmamadali, Lumea, not a problem. Coming
from sa hardcore si KQ. Sanay kasi
might be a consideration.
Medyo na sa semento Nasana yung semento
Nakawala si Mark Hill. The basket is good, plus a foul. I must say this is a great...
For the activity, parang nakikipagpatayan para sa bola.
And one more thing, parehas na sapatos. Ayan, babawi si Poli. And a foul.
His energy on both ends of the floor. Tapos meron ka pa Kevin Kiambao sa tabi. Para on paper, he has to put it on the court.
On the second try, nahiya na tumira sa tres. Umatake na lang, not a problem. Coming from Chico Briones.
Pasa.
Back pass, libre sa kaliwang kanto. JC Makalalag malakas. Rebound battle won by Jonel Policarpio. That's what he can deliver.
Just the activity of Jonel Policarpio. May it be offense, defense. His nose for the ball is very exceptional.
Final second, layup no good. Nakakahabol si Ododo, but the play was halted by the referee. There was ang kaso ngayon, nag-split si Raven Cortez. And that's gonna do it for the first quarter.
ECJ Preseason Cup.
The meantime, brave attack coming from Janjan Felisilda. Hindi makatake ang Lasal.
Ang haba ng mga batang to. Grabe yung wingspan.
Oo. Lopez for three. Too strong. KQ with the rebound. Siya na magbababa ng bola na yan.
Yeah.
Nakakakita ng opening. Si Poli ang tatapos.
Just the luxury of having a Kevin Kiambao.
Just sends it. Just overpass it to Raven Cortez. Pero hawak pa rin nila yung possession. Kiambao for three. Kapal!
The search for a point guard. Hindi mo na kailangan kung may Kevin Kiambao ko eh.
That's a jump. It was a 14-point separation just a few minutes ago. JD Kagulangan is back. A screen from Phillips. CJ going to his left.
Ooh.
Nice pass to Mike Phillips. Pumeke ba? Walang nangyari sa tira. Rebound save.
Wow.
To Kevin Kiambao. Nice stop by Joshua David.
What a sequence! Just quietly, both teams refusing to give an inch.
Quick answer coming from Mike.
I really love the activity of that kid. It's just a matter of how fast he can adapt. Lalo na kasama niya mga kuya.
Oo. Pampanda ni Harold Alarcon. And you on that tap, hindi lang gumana para dito kay Torres.
Ito talaga green light.
But gumanda yung shooting
Yeah.
niya. It's gonna be a really lethal guy.
It's always been the case for Francis Lopez, even when he was still with LSGH. No question yung slashing abilities but really the perimeter.
Na makuha ang kalamangan. Turnover na naman. Nag-iisa si Maybay. Hit na po ni Phillips. Lead block. Coming from Mike Phillips.
What a block!
Bostic El General yan. Mark Belmonte going to his left. Pumihit. Pumade away. Trip mo ba yan sigurado?
Parang mahirap.
Ay, nakalusot. Siguro.
Crafty move by Doyce. Para ganun yung
Solid na
naglalabas.
immersion yan, sir. 41-38. UP Agunade has that range.
Wow!
Yes, indeed. Tie game. Then 14-14 on the timeout.
Ganyan kaseryoso itong larong to.
Oo.
Na pinupuwersa mo yung Golden Monteverde on a preseason game to really stand up.
A ton of contact on that screen.
Kaya ba sa rotation mo ng guards eh. Parang kakaiba yun.
This chess match is so fun to watch, Randolph Yelson. And Policarpio, the sorry miss. Kagulo sa bola, si Poli ang nakakuha. Kaso, ang laki ng sapatos ni Jonel Policarpio. Pahinga muna tayo. May 17, balik tayo mamaya. Kukwento natin yung mga susunod na laban, yung mga magiging laban sa May 17. Pero balik muna tayo sa action. UP timeout, UP turnover. Tumatakbo si Raven. That hesitation proved quite costly kasi nakasupalpal itong si Kingsley Ododo. Inside, top shot, a lot of contact, no whistle was blown. Shot clock, nauubos, pati yung game clock, top shot, Harold Alarcon to that short corner jumper, and LaSalle will utilize a timeout with 6.
No easy baskets, especially against the UP na parang...
Met at the rim!
Jay, ikaw na magugulat.
Ay, airball. Sa minuto pa lang, ma-action pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago ang tema ng laban na to. Russell Ogana, keyhole jumper. Parang veterano ang intelligence of Kevin Kiambao. He was falling away, and there's a hand-to-hand combat going on, and Mike Phillips did not appreciate that one, I believe. And as of this moment,
Grabe yung kiskisan.
Kiambao, eye-to-eye with Alter, all more than a 3. And he will not get that ball. Nakakuha yung dati niyang kakampay si Jeff Campachano na nakatapos na ng layup. Some reunion, CJ Austria with the layup.
Dapat lang, it's been a while since CJ Austria. I think this...
Puntos pa lang para kay Henry Agonane. Hindi na po yung pang-anim. Nice na by Jonel Policarpio. Kevin Kiambao with the flush.
What a beautiful tip to see it.
3-point game. Ganda sana ng pass ay Belmonte. Hindi lang handa si Mark Hill. Lead pass. Agonane naman.
And again, Jonel Policarpio making...
Anywhere they go, it's all business. Nothing's the same. They will treat every game as championship. They will treat every game as it's just like any other game. As that is a great finish, and that will merit a technical foul against Mark Hill Belmonte.
But again, going back to your point, Jay, anywhere, when you wear that green and white, parang, kumbaga, na-recapture nila yung confidence nila eh. Throw it
Just
up.
like that, it's a walk-through pointer coming from Jonel Policarpio. Gumo, back in the game. Ganda naman ang kilos, malakas na rin floater. Labas muna kay KQ, Kiambao, back ironing the 3.
Medyo minadali ni KQ yung tres na yun. Actually, the past 2 threes, medyo minadali talaga ni Kevin.
Ayan. If you, kung ikaw si Francis Lopez, and you need quick 2 points, you will really go back to your strengths.
Yes.
Kiambao! Diretso, pero kapos, team 8, Agonane got that one, even though Shama.
KQ has also got cold.
It has been that kind of day. Francis Lopez with a 3. He's about to head to this third quarter finish.
Oh, nice.
Nice inside pass. Maninira ng ring si Sean Alder.
It's just a... And for the TC dunk.
Joshua David, hard drive. Henry Agonane with an answer.
Right back at you.
The Vid reading the defense. Agonane on top. Lalabas si Abada. Ball of 3. Kapag!
The offense has just... Hayaan natin si Hans siya, si Coach Edster doon.
Maaga pa. In the meantime, meron for the rebound, mananalo. Ang UP. Atake, mabitin. Ang ganda ng kilos si Jensen. Silda with a player, and that will do it for the third quarter. What an action, Randall Wilson.
Fortea said that he was half dun sa dulo, but the referee saw otherwise.
Yung mga action ng third quarter, syempre, atin sa atin yan. Smart Horror Hall 99. Smart for the place with a huge bucket. Jay De La Cruz, Randolph Youngson, Daphne Cristobal on call in this game. Layup na naman mula kay Raylan Torres.
What a getaway from Raylan Torres, but kita mo, Michael Phillips still wants that chase down block. Unfortunately, that's a better offense from Raylan.
May matatawagin na. Di pa ubos highlights natin. Raymond Cortez for three. Too strong. Rebound won by JC Bacalalag. Left open. Phillips with the follow jam.
Up and down we go.
Just quick answers coming from these two teams. Somebody's down.
Michael
Phillips is cramping. He's holding on to his left leg, but he stood up like it's nothing.
For the team, I think it's a good experience for them to experience a loss like this. We learn a lot for sure, and then move on to the next game. I think the team will handle their problem now. Like what you said, it's a new team, new players. You just need to get more familiar with each other. And like I said kanina, it's a good loss. Well, sa akin, syempre, to get familiar din with sila Coach Topex and how they play. But the main focus for now is yung UAP season.